Hey ninjas! Today we are going to see how to create image to 3D model by using AI method. First go to tripo3d.com. In previous videos we have seen text prompt method. Now we are going to use image 1. Let's find some image on Pinterest to convert it in 3D mesh. Oh, this is nice image we have. Let's download it and upload it on Tripo3D. Start generating. Here you can see the impressive result we got from this Tripo3D AI. I'm going to download and see it in Blender. Here we can see this a nice model with proper mesh. All the necessary maps and textures we have here. Let's check it in Material Preview. I like this model. Good result. So this is how you guys can convert image into 3D model using AI. Hope you liked the tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.